Hi, this video is going to be on tenses. So we can discover the tense of a piece of writing often by looking at the verbs. So this first sentence, she is smelling the air. We have the verb smelling and is. And these help to tell us that it's in the present tense. So she is currently smelling the air. And then we have a second sentence, I stopped talking before it was too late. So I stopped tells us that it was in the past tense because we have this ed here, which helps to indicate this for us. And then we have Alice will not come with us, and here we have will telling us that this is in the future tense. So Alice in the future will not come with us. Thanks for listening.